is my first day of junior year. Kind of nervous, kind of excited. I have 2 classes today. I have one at 12 and one at 5:30, I think.
The boys in the bathroom.
Oh, I don't have one. It's history. Oh. What? Sorry.
Look, that guy has cool boots on. Bunny ear biker helmet. Very cool. I do these guys, drew a random shape, and then try to make a character.
I just got out of class and I just started some rice in the Instant Pot, and now I'm on the way to Kroger. I need to get a couple ingredients for dinner. Alright, I'm about to have lunch. I made a Korean beef rice bowl type of situation. I didn't do a very good job on presentation just because I'm kind of in a rush. My class starts at 4 and I kind of want to get dressed and do makeup and everything. So the next class doesn't start till like 4. It's like 2 right now, but I want to get dressed and do my makeup and get all cute because I think I'm meeting like new people and I just want to feel like confident. Oh, I thought I was almost out of it. I was gonna get really sad. Alright, here is the outfit for today. I'm just wearing like this knit top with just like a sports bra under it and these like cargo pants. I haven't shaved my legs and I don't really want to, so I will be wearing pants until further notice. Out of class about like an hour or so ago, so I'm gonna start doing some homework. I haven't actually touched any of my assignments yet. Granted, class started like yesterday, but it's time to be lo-fi girl again, so I'm really excited. The light is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Watch out for you.
That's how it always works.
The one freaking lash.
Like, you gotta make it.
I cannot breathe through my nose.
Saturate the lengths and ends, staying an inch away from the scalp. Process for 20 minutes. Apply to the root area and develop for 10 more minutes. can't even see the red in my hair.
Yours also wet.
Sorry. Stop it! The way that you looked at me! It wasn't anything about your hair.
You literally can't even tell.
It's just a scalp! It's just a fucking scalp!
Reveal.
Like you can see.
Reveal. So pretty.
Yeah, I know. It's like you
That
can
one's
see.
cute.
It's because this one was like a blonde streak. Like the bottom.
I have concepts later today with Jay. I'm really excited because we're gonna go over some of their work and do like a cold read. Yeah, they look like this. Like they're these like kind of sweatpants, parachute combination, super comfy. Oh shit. Oh my god. It's literally 5:08 p.m. right now. I am so tired. I had like a whole matcha latte because I can just feel that I'm gonna fall asleep in lecture. Oh my god. They put a shirt on him. Oh my god.
So do you think I'm imagining it or
I made some ramen because I was craving it. It's this like tofu mushroom kind my coworker Elson actually put me on, and I really like it. I think it's a lot less spicy than the Shin black ramen, and I really like the little dried tofu bits. I'm also watching Amazing World of Gumball again because this was like the funniest show when I was a kid, and it's honestly still really funny.